Introducing new scalp care ritual with ANZA Scalp Therapy, the ultimate reset for dry, irritated scalps. Step 1. Balancing pre-wash oil. Start with the balancing pre-wash oil. This nutrient-rich oil melts away buildup while calming irritation. Just apply to the scalp before shampooing. It preps and soothes for a refreshing cleanse. Step 2. Balancing shampoo. Next, lather up with this balancing shampoo. It gently cleanses while relieving dryness and leaving your scalp feeling calm and rebalanced. Step 3. Balancing conditioner. Follow up with the balancing conditioner. It replenishes moisture and soothes both the scalp and hair for a soft, nourished finish. Step 4. Balancing leave-on serum. Finish with this balancing leave-on serum, a cool, weightless veil of hydration that absorbs instantly. No residue, just comfort and long-lasting barrier support. This completes the scalp therapy balancing ritual for calming comfort from scalp to strand.